and explain the human existence. Do you think physics can explain human existence more even than the universe?
Well, human is part of universe. If you took it as in this context, yes, physics can explain the existence of human if we consider the human is part of universe. But we are, in physics, we are putting the human as the center, and then we're questioning everything around him. So the physics does not explain why human is existed. Why is he there? How is he there? It doesn't answer such questions, but it can answer questions about the universe around us.
Why you think if you put the humans at the center of the physics, why you don't say that human as entities that with the mind, then they can have the honor of explaining their existence through the physics?
Well, they can do that if they create themselves, but human is just a result of something. So he cannot explain their existence.
All right, let's go to the, say, universe. How physics see the universe, generally speaking? We talk about the cosmological stuff, like we talk about galaxies, stars, we talk about all these giant creatures. So how could you look at their existence? How can you?
There are so many theories that talking about the creationism of universe, but the most acceptable one in science, it's the Big Bang theory. It's the only theory that can be taken with.
Literally, we talk about theories that is talk about creationism, which is the Big Bang theory, and then we talk about Big Bang theory. Literally, is the very highest subject. And we can talk about how galaxies, they subtle. When you say the galaxies, for example, how moon could just happen to be there, for example. So how can you look at these amazing, beautiful, natural creations of this you could call creation of the God or whatsoever you want to name it as the physicist? Maybe there is another life, for example, a human can sensate themselves. So tell us more about other cosmos, the life, their existence.
Yeah, so our ancestors, they didn't have the technology that we have today. So they believe that all they can look at is just the sky and the nature around them. They don't have any technology to look further beyond Earth.
Oh.
So they believe that Earth is the center of the universe. This is something that they believed at that time. But within time, when Galileo and other astronomers and philosophers, they start to question this. It didn't seem very reasonable to be the only creatures in this entire universe. So they were curious about what is going out there. So they started to make theories, and they started to make guessings about what is going out there. And then going on in time, people started to, with the scientific revolution in the 17th century, everything got clear. We were able to, send spaceships to the space to discover more, and we realized that we are not the only one. We probably won't be the only one because the universe is so big for that.